Hello, dear friends. Today we are going to learn a letter of order. When you need to buy something for your firm, for your industry, or for your company, or even for your own purpose, also, you need to write an order letter. An order letter is usually written when you need to put an order for some products or some devices. It is quite common and it is written almost on daily basis in the various industries. The language of the letter must be formal, and the letter must follow the standard format. We have learned all the elements of letter writing, use those elements while writing order letter also. That in order letter one has to make clear the terms and conditions of a purchase. These are benefit for both the parties involved. It generally contains such as product specification, their quantities, a price that the parties have agreed upon, even the date of delivery, and what to do if the delivery is late or something happened while transportation. All these conditions must be mentioned into the order letter. What tips one should follow while writing an order letter? First of all, the language should be easy, and at the same time it should be formal. Do not make any kind of errors, mistakes in the specification and quantities of the product or the devices. Avoid spelling or grammatical mistakes. Then be polite when you are ordering something. You are not purchasing that person, you are just ordering that product. Then your order letter should be precise. Just complete your order letter within 3 to 4 paragraphs. It should not be lengthy. And while writing order letter, use the positive language, because if you need to develop good business relationship, it will be helpful for you, because in future you may require the service from the that particular supplier. Your products, your devices may require maintenance or repairs. So at that time it will be very easy to you to approach to them if you maintain positive relationship with the suppliers. A letter of order is a we can say document that tells or confirms about the sale and purchase of a product. And the letter should be drafted very carefully, and before sending it, read it twice, because if you commit any mistakes in the specifications and in the quantities, it may go to the court. So to avoid future legal problems, take care of your quantities and specification. While writing that, you should sound polite and professional. Try to cover all the details to avoid any kind of inconvenience in the future. Even you should address the recipient politely and respectfully. This is one of the most important factor of any business relationship. In case of any problem or confusion, make it clear on the phone, and then you can write it, you can mention it in your order letter. The order letter is actually a very important in business, so it should be placed by an authority. It is recommended to make first of all a rough draft, and afterwards by verifying, by rechecking, make the fair draft of order letter. The letter should be, most of the times actually, the letter should be on the letterhead of the that particular company or the institute. So these are the few rules that you should follow while putting an order to any supplier. So here is one example that we are going to see. As the college laboratory in charge, draft a letter of order for some scientific equipments to Messrs Universal Scientific Equipment Suppliers, Link Road, Mumbai 4. So what, you are the laboratory in charge, and as a laboratory in charge you have to draft order letter for some scientific equipment. So it is not mentioned. So here you have to imagine the few names of the scientific equipments. Now the first element of the letter, of course, your name and your address, your post, laboratory in charge. Then the name of the college is not given. See, just it is mentioned the college. So you can write here any imaginary name of the college. Bhai Patel Polytechnic, it is written. And then the city is not given in the question itself. So write city also. And date 15th May 2021. Then recipient's address to the sales manager. The address is given, Messrs Universal Scientific Equipment Suppliers, Link Road, Mumbai. So the address is given and we have mentioned as it is here. Then of course the subject, just 4 or 5 words, order for scientific equipments, that's it. Then the reference, your quotation number USE/SD 2021 8686 dated 12th May 2021. This means that you have already inquired and you have received the quotation. And what does this USE stand for? See, USE is Universal Scientific Equipments Supplier. SD is what? Sales department. You are asking to the sales department. So this letter you received from sales department. This is the year 2021. And this is the letter number 8686. And dated 12th May 2021. So on this date, and this is the number of that letter in which you have received the quotation. Got it? So you have to mention the reference so that they can understand, and even at the same time they can open their own office copy when they send a letter to somebody. Such a firms, such a suppliers put their another copy, means double copy, OC, office copy. So when your order will come, they will open their office copy and they will see the prices, what prices they have quoted for you. Got it? So this is quotation number. And actually such a kind of a practices take place. Then salutation. What is the salutation? Of course, dear sir or dear madam. Dear sir, with reference to the above, we thank you for your competitive quotation for scientific equipments. Means in the first sentence itself, you are saying thank you that you have received the quotation in time. I am glad to place an order of worth rupees 1,55,300. Means already you have calculated the prices and you are mentioning it. Even the separate order form is duly filled in according to our requirement is enclosed. Even separate order form you have attached. That will be really beneficial. So there will not be any mistake. Kindly send the material in week's time. So you are putting the condition that within a week you require the following scientific equipments. We have the list to place an order for following. Even in this letter, you have to mention what are the equipments and the quantity you require, though you have attached a separate order form. Then, as I said in the question itself, There are the no equipments are mentioned with this. No equipments are mentioned. Just you have to then again imagine and write down the equipments at vernier calipers, screw gauge, potentiometer, and voltmeter, and the quantity. You are requested to send the consignment safely packed in thermocol packing covered with corrugated board box. The payment of the order will be sent within 2 days from the date of the receipt of the order and verification of the content. Means you are putting your conditions that we required the consignment duly packed in a proper board box, and it should be, and when the order will be verified, then only you will get the payment. So you have to write your conditions of the business. I hope that the material supplied will be of same quality as samples are. We write to reject material of a lesser quality. If the appliances are not delivered within a week, the order will be treated as cancelled. Some more conditions you have to write. Here it is written. Such a conditions are essential to make the business more clear so that there should not be any misunderstanding. We hope to build healthy business relationship with you. So such a positive sentence you have to add. Awaiting for your reply, thanking you. Yours faithfully, XYZ lab in charge, Bhai Patel Polytechnic. And enclosure, here is the enclosure. Order form means separately you have attached the order form. So this is only single page order letter. Hope you have understood how to write order letter. So before putting actual your order, verify your specification, quantity of the order, so that there should not be any confusion. Hope there are no doubts about this order letter. If still, if you have any doubt about how to write order letter, you can raise your doubts through WhatsApp, or even you can do call to me, myself Sudarshan Patil. Stay in touch with me through my WhatsApp channel or through my YouTube channel. Continuously I'm sharing the videos on WhatsApp group. Thank you very much.